Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I'm going to be addressing the problems of the iPhone camera not working. So if you're using your iPhone and the actual camera app is blacked out, you're not being able to take photos, or maybe if the camera app keeps freezing, then this is the video for you. I'm going to show you several different steps on how you can fix all of these issues, and hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have your camera app back and working as per usual. So to begin, the very first thing that I recommend doing is to actually go ahead and do a hard restart on your iPhone device. So much like when you have a computer, if it's malfunctioning or if there's any temporary glitches, the first thing you want to do is just to go ahead and simply turn it off and on again. Really basic, simple IT support stuff. And the same applies for the iPhone device. So to go ahead and restart the iPhone, for the iPhone 8 and above, you want to go ahead and quickly press the volume up, the volume down, and then you want to press onto the lock screen button until the iPhone powers off. So I can just go ahead and do that now. And then I'll just keep pressing and holding. And if I keep pressing and holding, this will go ahead and restart. But just for the purpose of this video, I won't waste anyone's time and restart the device. And if you're on an iPhone 6 and later, I believe you can go ahead and restart the iPhone by pressing the home button and the lock button together simultaneously for about 15 seconds until the iPhone powers down as well. So hopefully that will fix the issue of the iPhone camera not working. But if it's still not working, the next thing I recommend to do is actually to go ahead and flip the iPhone around. And what you actually want to do now is just to go ahead and firmly press around the lens and the camera on the iPhone. And this is mainly done because if you've recently dropped your iPhone device, you may have dropped it on maybe the corner or around this side. And if you have done that, then it can actually dislodge the connectors around the camera on the rear and the front as well. So you just want to go ahead and you want to kind of press pretty firmly, and you just want to try and reconnect anything that may have become disconnected or may have become loose on the iPhone. So you just want to go ahead and repeat this for a couple of minutes, and hopefully that will resolve the issue of the iPhone camera not working. And if your actual camera has gone black, I have noticed that this is a really awesome fix on how to fix that as well. Okay, so if your camera is still not working at this point, the next thing you can do is go into the settings on your iPhone device. Now once in here, you want to go down to General and then scroll all the way down to bottom to Reset. Now, once you're in here, you want to go ahead and reset all these settings on your iPhone device, and this will go ahead and remove any temporary glitches that may be caused by the settings that you may have on your iPhone device. And just as a warning, do not select erase all content and settings, as this will completely wipe your phone and you will lose all your apps, photos and contacts and so on. So for this one, I just want to go ahead and reset all settings. And then I want to go ahead and confirm this by putting in my passcode or my Touch ID. And this will go ahead and reset your iPhone device. And again, I won't do this on this particular video as it does take some time. So if that still doesn't work for you guys, another thing you can try is to go back into the settings. Now, once you're in here, you want to go down to Privacy. And if I tap in here, and now if I go down to Camera, I'm now able to see all of the apps on my iPhone that have the access to my camera. So what I want to do is just to go ahead and deselect all of these. And now once I've gone ahead and turned all of these off, I can now go ahead and open the camera app on my iPhone device. And if this is now working, it means that one of these third-party apps is actually causing the issue for the camera not to work. So pretty much all I have to do now is go back to the camera app, and I just have to go ahead and turn these on one at a time, go back to my camera, and if it stops working, then I know that that particular app is causing the issue on my iPhone device. Okay guys, so if none of these steps have worked for you yet, I'm just going to share with you a last ditch step that I've actually found has worked for me in the past when I've actually dropped my iPhone into water. And this has actually caused the lens on the iPhone to get very blurry and filled with moisture and just residue as well. So what I actually did to fix this was to actually get my girlfriend's hairdryer and just gently blow the hairdryer around the iPhone camera lens and also on the front, and I did this on really low heat just for a couple of minutes, and I was careful not to overheat the iPhone. I just wanted to go ahead and evaporate any moisture that had built up on the iPhone lens, which was causing me to take really blurry and cloudy photos. So that's a really good last step that you can try and resolve the issue of the camera not working on your iPhone device. So there you have it, guys. Hopefully one of these tips or tricks has helped you to get your iPhone camera back up and running. And if any of these have worked for you, or maybe you've found your own trick, please share it down below in the comment section, as you'll be helping thousands of other iPhone users out there. So again, thanks for watching, and hopefully this video has helped you. And as always, I'll see you all in the next one.